Okay, I'm just going to do a quick re-unboxing. These don't go in there because I got these elsewhere. We'll get back to that though. I went to the retrofit source to get the wiring harness for the HIDs. I like theirs the best. It's got the dual relays, a little bit better gauge wire than the cheap knockoff ones on Amazon. Now I got the quad relay set, so it came with 2 of these, not independent system wired for quads. It's just 2 of the regular headlight harnesses. But these are nice. It's got a really good anti-abrasion coating on it. They use good quality connectors. And yeah, I've already installed one of these on my mother's Jeep, and it works great. It's an awesome thing. This kit, because it came for the quads, came with the 9006, 9005 splitters. This would plug right into your harness, and then one side would go to one ballast, and the other would go to the other ballast for the quad setup. So that's very cool. These are nice, much better. And I didn't realize these were coming with it when I ordered the kit. So I went on eBay, and I think I actually paid just about the same amount of money for these cheap Chinese knockoffs. And you know, they're shorter, obviously not nearly as nice. These connectors are quite a bit cheaper feeling, where they snap together for the wiring right here compared to here. The rubber gasket, you know, I mean, it works. But yeah, so I ordered a set of these that I didn't need, and then rather than cutting one of these off and wiring it to the bi-xenon flipper, I just chose to grab a couple of plug-ins with wires. But you probably can't see it on the video, but that is an extremely small gauge wire inside that insulation. So really, I'm glad that I'm only using these to activate the flipper solenoids and not trying to run lights off it. That's pathetic. I mean, I don't even know. I mean, if that's 20 or 22 gauge, I will be very impressed. I don't even think it's that good, you know. And you can clearly see that it's the same wire that they use in all their connectors. So really, to run any real high current through these, you know, I wouldn't trust it. Spend the money, go to Retro Resource, get a set of Morimoto. You know, the Morimoto HD relay, it's much nicer. It's a very good quality harness, and there's plenty of length here. So, you know, anyway, that's a good set.